Falafel, take one. What I said.
Oh, hello. Today we're gonna be on another episode of My Mom Thinks She Can Cook. We're gonna be making falafel.
Hi, so today we're gonna start on the first step of falafel. So I soaked these chickpeas overnight, so that's very important to use dry chickpeas and soak them overnight. This was a 16-ounce bag of chickpeas that I soaked overnight. Okay, and I've got 6 small onions, or you could use 2 large onions. I got 4 cloves of garlic. I got 2 bunches of curly parsley. And I got about half a cup of cilantro. And we are going to put that all in the blender in small batches. So, here we go.
You dropped the chick.
That's okay. I'll get it later.
Alright, so you put that.
I'm going to do it in 2 batches, actually.
Then you need your greens.
Yeah.
Your more greens. Your garlic. Your onions.
Let's see if we
Your
can-
more greens. Your more greens. Lots of greens.
Well, this part you can fast forward. And a spoon.
What are we doing now?
I'm doing it in small batches, so. Watch out, watch out.
Good already.
Yummy, yum, yum. Don't jump, Mom, it's falling in
So yeah, all you want to do is empty that out into your favorite silver bowl with your favorite silver spoon. If that spoon's even silver.
It's not silver, or else we wouldn't be using it.
You have to wash that.
So what is that?
Next.
Is that batch 1?
That
Yep,
was batch 1.
Now you want to add 2 garlics,
Kidding, you don't have
2 onions,
I'm gonna do
some
this. I'm gonna do this
chickpeas,
a smaller batch because that was kind of.
Oh,
some
so it's going to be 3 batches?
greens,
So I'm gonna go with 3. Yeah, yeah, because it was like kind
some
of hard to
more.
blend.
Newsflash: we're not doing 3 batches.
Oh my God, Kitty!
What?
That's nice.
And then this is gonna be the last batch. So add your chickpeas. Add those. Add those.
Take
Add
these
more
away,
of those. Take those away, Mateen.
Mateen, Kitty.
Don't say names, Nassim.
Oh, sorry. Well, he's gonna fast forward all that out.
I am. And I'll give you a nice close-up of what we have right now.
Kitty, you're not crying.
No. Make sure to fill your blender past the max full.
Can you add that in? He said make sure you to fill your blender past the max full.
And then
That's the key, right?
Mm-hmm. The key to this is nice recipe. So
And
now,
what about those who don't have a max full sign on their, do they draw one in or
yeah.
with a Sharpie?
I would say get like a nice fine Sharpie and then just take, as you can see, here's an example of max fill. It's like a line and then you write max fill over it. So just write one of those in if you don't have one. So you make sure to go past it.
Where's it? As
Yeah.
such.
No, you need a thinner Sharpie. You need one of those thin Sharpies.
Oh, I think I drew on it. Did I? No.
Okay, so I chopped some tomato, cucumber, and a little parsley, put it in a bowl. And this is going to be our salad that goes inside the falafel sandwiches. So I'm just going to add salt, some sesame paste, tahini. You could buy that at international stores. So I'm just going to add about a fourth of a cup. But you could add more if you like. Okay. And then I'm going to add about a fourth of a cup of lemon juice. About. So that would be. I don't like dishes.
Because
I'm
we never
estimating.
measure stuff.
We don't like
on this
dishes
channel.
in this channel. So we're just gonna
Yes, we
eyeball
do.
it. Nope, we're eyeballing
We do
it.
like dishes.
No. And then just mix it all together so it's ready to go once you're done frying your falafel.
Now, does this salad have a name?
It's called a Jerusalem salad.
It is?
Yes.
Salata.
Yeah, isn't it called salata?
Mm-hmm. Okay. So that's ready to go. We're ready to go with this.
Oh, I did. Just I was off camera.
How long is this gonna take?
As long as I want it to. Okay. So that's ready to go. So that goes on the table. Don't show the table.
Go!
Okay, so here's the mixture that we made earlier. So now this is kind of like way too much for my family. So what I normally do is I put half of it in a freezer bag and for later, you know, for I can just
Half
thaw
of
it out.
it in a family size?
Yeah, but I'm just gonna kind of put half of it away because it's way too much, and you could always just fry it later because falafel is best eaten fresh.
Cold.
So I don't want to. Yeah, so I don't want to fry all of it. I just want enough for us to eat right now.
It's got the same color as
I
wasabi.
divided it in half. So now here's what I'm gonna add to it. Okay, I'm gonna add. Let me grab the salt. Add about a half a teaspoon of salt.
So, and this is green spoon.
Okay.
This is orange spoon's little brother.
I'm gonna add pepper. And I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of cumin.
Ooh.
Okay. And I'm gonna add about a tablespoon of this
It's the rooster stuff, right?
rooster hot sauce, sambal
Some
oelek.
sambal
It's in the
oelek.
Asian section. There's also one in the Middle Eastern section, but I like the Asian one a little bit better because it's a little bit spicier. So I'm gonna add a little bit more. Yeah. Okay. And then an egg. You don't need to add an egg if you're vegan, so it just helps it kind of expand when it's frying. But I'm gonna add that, and then I'm gonna add.
Some baking powder.
Yeah, I'm gonna add a teaspoon of.
We're gonna take orange
Baking
spoon
powder.
over here. The infamous orange spoon.
So there's a teaspoon of baking powder. And then I'm gonna just mix it all together.
Yep, mix in.
A little bit more of that.
So yeah.
You don't have to add the hot sauce if you can't handle hot sauce. So you could, or you could just add it in this actual sandwich, which I also do too. I add it in my sandwich too. Okay.
So now you're just gonna mix it up.
So yep, now it just gets mixed. So there we go. And if you have a tool that looks like this, it's a falafel former.
It's a hydraulic press.
See? So, or you could just make the patties with your hands. So now we're gonna go over and fry these bad boys. Bread in the oven.
Bread in the oven, bread in the oven. Bread in the oven, bread in the oven, bread in the oven. First you take your bread.
Because it's frozen, but
First
you
you
have
take your
fresh
bread.
pita bread.
And you put it in your oven.
You don't have
Bread in the
Or you can just
oven,
warm it in the
bread in
microwave.
the oven, bread in the oven, yum.
I think that's good.
Bread in the oven,
Right.
bread in
Woo.
the oven. Alright, so she's got her hydraulic press here.
I put some vegetable oil. I'm gonna deep fry these falafels. What's a hydraulic press?
It's that thing you're holding.
All right, I need Sabrina.
I sense that came from Mythbusters somehow, somewhere.
So there we go. Oh gosh.
Hydraulic question.
Oh, is it? Okay.
All they
Alright.
do is they crush them with the hydraulic press.
Really nice, bubbly.
Can you tell your listeners where you get that tool from?
You can get this tool from the Arabic store or online.
I don't. And what's the cost?
About $3.
$3.
So one of our kids are not going to college.
What?
Nothing.
Alright.
That would be you. Nothing. Alright.
So then you want to flip those, I think,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah, flip them.
And what kind of flame?
Not too high, like medium.
This type of flame.
It's the knobs, dude.
Yeah. Isn't that the type of... Alright, fine. This type of flame.
She has it on
Yep, low.
You want to get a highly flammable wooden ruler
Spoon?
to see how high the flames are?
Yep. And now we just wait. Should I time lapse this?
Okay.
No, wait,
You know what?
let's
You
do
can pause this until I'm done. So here's our finished product. We got the falafel, some spicy pickles right there, the salad, the Jerusalem salad, and some hot sauce, and the bread.
Madeline, come here.
Let me know when you're ready.
I am ready. I'm recording.
Oh, okay. All right, so here's the finished falafel.
Yum.
Here's what it looks like on the inside. And then we're gonna show you how to make
Eat.
a sandwich.
Oh.
This bread is hard to. So you got your pita bread,
Yep.
not too close. You got your falafel.
Yep.
You kind of push that in there
Yep.
like that.
Yep. Mhm.
Nice and crispy.
Perfect. Yum.
And then if you like a little bit of red pepper,
That's the chicken sauce.
you put that in there. The rooster sauce.
Yeah, rooster.
And then you got the Jerusalem
Some
salad.
salata.
You put that in there. And then a couple of pickles.
Thievery.
Thief! Sound the alarms!
There you go. There you have it.
Oh, yeah?
Oh. Yum.
And you can sell